I look like this because I've been going crazy trying to figure this out. And if you have a PDF that you've worked really hard on and you want to upload it to Kindle to sell on Amazon, here is what I ended up doing. I could not find any other answers out there online. So if you have your PDF, you should, if you don't already, create a Canva account. Then you're going to upload your PDF file to Canva. And now when this happens, sometimes it comes across perfect. Sometimes it comes across a little wonky, but trust me, it's not as wonky as if you just transferred it to an EPUB or a different type of file using a different type of software, especially if you have images and all kinds of stuff like me. So my worksheets have all kinds of things in them that would not transfer properly. So Canva worked out the best for me. I have over 30 science journals because I'm a teacher that I was able to transfer over, edit. And then what you want to do is save every page as an image. Okay, save it as an image, a PNG. And you're going to save every page individually. So you're going to go through and you're going to say page 1, done, download. Then go back through and save page 2, done, download. And you're going to do that for every single page of your PDF. Are you with me? Transfer your PDF to Canva. Save every single page as a picture, a PNG or a JPEG, however you want to do it. Then you're going to go over to a Word document or whatever program you use, and you're going to insert each image one by one into your document. This took me 3 hours to transfer everything over, to format all the pages, to add all the images and to save it. And now it seamlessly was able to upload to Kindle Direct Publishing. So hopefully this helps. I'm not sure if there's another easier way to do it, especially like I said, if there are a whole bunch of charts and pictures and things all in your document. If your document is just a bunch of text, sure, go ahead and convert it. There's a million other ways to convert it. Good luck. Hopefully this helped.